how exactly did Nashville get from being small town Music City, USA to one of the hottest places in the country? Let's take a look. Seemingly overnight, we went from a nice quiet place to raise a family and put out the next big country album to, well, a virtual mecca of all things hip and trending. 100 people move here every day, and when planning a trip, it begs the question, why? Is it the music? It is Music City after all, so yes, it's the music. Is it the food? Absolutely. The hip and ever-multiplying coffee shops? Of course it is. Is it the fantastic weather and lush countryside? Why not? So, you've got a weekend here and want to take in the best we've got to offer? Well, here you go. First up on the itinerary is to take in what Nashville is most famous for, country music. And the best place to do that is Robert's Western World. You could go to the Grand Ole Opry, but to save time and money, choose Broadway. You'll catch today's stars of country music on this stage, as well as the next up-and-coming artists. This is the real Nashville. Next, you've got to try hot chicken. How did this become a craze? Well, that's a genuine Nashville story you'll just have to come here to check out for yourself. Hit up Hattie B's and brave the long lines, or go for something a little more old school and try Bolton's on Main Street. And now that you've checked the 2 biggest Nashville boxes for 2018, let's get out and see the rest of the city. Rent a bike on the west side and ride around the Parthenon, or walk the river in Shelby Bottoms in the east for an experience locals and tourists alike enjoy. If you're tired now, grab some coffee. Barista Parlor is internationally known for its style and world-class coffee, but if you're on the west side in Hillsborough Village, you may want to take Taylor Swift's recommendation and try Fido. Getting around is a breeze. You've got Uber, Lyft, bike rental stations, and, well, pedal taverns. And, of course, you could stay at the Certified Hipster Urban Cowboy if you're into that life. But for the rest of us, there are plenty of great lodging options from Airbnb to 21C. But book early, as this city is hot.